Hey guys, it's Aleah, and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button, notifications, and give me a kiss. I'm out in front of the pool noodle. We just came from Sky Zone. It was a really fun day. It feels like I'm jumping. It actually really doesn't. No, but guess what? We're about to go hunting for fidgets and Dollar Tree. What you saying? This is a fidget. It's a pool noodle, not a fidget. Yeah, but then what? I mean, these are dog toys. Nope, this is a cat. No, these are. What is this? What is this? This is. We got horses. Right, I should move that. Well, this looks like a doggy version of the sled. I like how kids have fun, dogs have fun too. Okay, we're about to go. Side. We're gonna go cut for fidgets. Let's jump over the lines. Ew, socks! Stop fidgets. I have sandals on anyway. What's this toy for fidgets? This is not a fidget mat. No match. These are not fidgets. This is I got me and Bessie mommy obsessive. Let's move out the way. Wow. That's having to look for fidgets. This is not, hey guys, this is not a fidget. This is a fidget. That's my favorite fidget option. Ew, gross. Are these ponies? Look at this. No puzzles or not. Well, they don't really have so much fidget here. They have some on the front aisle. Look all around, guys. Come down below to see a fidget. Oh yeah, fidget. Yeah, fidget. Oh yeah. Bye, guys. Tell them my video. Give me a kiss and love. Subscribe and notifications, please.